Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to update YouTube with Google Play Store. For that you need to open up the Google Play Store. Once you are here, you must be logged into your Google account. If you are not logged in, then please log into your Google account. So now what you can do is you can simply search for the YouTube app here. YouTube. Now if YouTube is installed and there is an update, then you will get the update option in front of it. Okay, you need to click on that one. Now it will start downloading the content here, which is of 38 MB. So it will take maybe few seconds depending upon your internet speed. Now you can see it has just downloaded. Now it is installing the YouTube. Now again it will take few seconds to update the YouTube app and you will be able to see the new version. So this is how you'll update YouTube app from the Google Play Store. Now you can open it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.